dumpster rental service in Cypress Gardens, Florida. With Dumpster Depot's dumpster rental service in Cypress Gardens, Florida, managing waste can be simple and hassle-free for homeowners and residents. Whether tackling a home renovation, cleaning the garage, or landscaping your yard, Dumpster Depot provides the perfect solution to keep your space clean and organized. With a wide range of dumpster sizes, you can find the ideal container to handle any job, big or small. Dumpster Depot is known for its quick, dependable delivery and pickup services, ensuring your dumpster is ready when you need it. Our experienced team understands that timing is essential and is committed to making the rental process as convenient as possible. By taking care of waste removal, we allow you to focus on your work without worrying about piles of debris or repeated trips to the landfill. Not only is Dumpster Depot convenient, but it's also environmentally conscious, ensuring that waste is handled responsibly. Our team can help you select the best dumpster size and service plan, providing peace of mind and an easy, cost-effective waste solution. If you're ready to make waste management effortless and keep your home looking its best, consider contacting Dumpster Depot. Call us at 863-330-0133 to learn how our top-rated dumpster rental service in Cypress Gardens, Florida can support your next project.